Hi friends, today we are going to learn about what is get and post actions in ASP.NET MVC. In ASP.NET MVC, get and post are two HTTP action methods that define how data is sent and received between the clients and the server. So get retrieve data. Purpose used to get requested data from the server, retrieve information. Calling a GET request multiple times does not change the server state. Common uses fetching data to display in views. For example, here we can see the action result index. Here we are getting database, that means db.getData. We are returning that data to the view. So this is called GET request. And the post, it is for submitting data. Purpose used to send data to the server to create or update resources. Each post request can result in change on the server. Example, inserting data into database. Common use, submitting form data or user input. See, here we have a action result called submit form, and we have added here attribute called HttpPost. For get, we have to add HttpGet. Okay, this is for post request. See, model state dot is valid db dot save data. Whatever data is coming from the client, we are saving it the data. So return redirect to action success. So this is called post in ASP.NET MVC. The key difference, get is used for retrieving data, does not modify server data. Post is used for sending data to modify server data. Example, creating, updating data. So this is all about get and post in ASP.NET MVC. Thank you.